So, medic game 1. So, yeah. Who's medic?
Yo, box mag.
Well, yeah, he has a box mag.
Well, I mean, I asked you guys, like, if you...
He's a box mag, medic's not allowed to go full auto, so I mean, just think about that. Just to see some light in here, man.
Thank you, sir. You need all things.
No, we don't. How about we don't say we did?
Your gun this round.
No, it's not behind the black. You can just like pull through. Is it? That was in my face. We're going towards 3 towers. We're going this way.
Just use your own gun this round.
What's meaning? Oh, shoulder.
I'm gonna try to get a bunch of kills right here. Ah. Sorry, Chubbs. Alright, get ready, start moving. Alright, we move right up over here, okay? Oh no. Back here, sorry.
Oh, back here?
Yeah. Sit down, sit down, sit down! Medic! Got the medic. Dead.
Baby! Oh, I thought you were nodding me, dude. Baby! Hello.
Medic! Medic!
Both out, both out.
Both out.
I got the medic 1 or 2 hits, so. Yeah.
So he should be dead.
I shot him though, I didn't surrender him.
You guys won. Oh, we did?
You killed the medic. Wait, is that everyone?
Is that everybody?
Okay.
Restart.
Restart.
Restart. You go to the corner, guys. You got all our guys. Yeah!
We lost 3 dudes.
Dude, that was fast.
I was fast, we killed it.
Yeah!
Woo!
I got all of them.
I killed
all of them.
I killed like all these dudes in this room, so I got
one. Exactly. Well, then again, I did shoot. You won.
Man's philosophy on Airsoft
What is
is
it?
brilliant.
You don't shoot anybody. You don't do anything.
oh, genius!
You win.
Genius!